y'all, what's good? It's your girl Nai. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, I am doing a wash and go on my natural hair. So if you're interested, stay tuned. But first, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Now that that's done, let go. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. If you all have not seen my wash day routine, definitely check it out. I'll leave it up in the cards up above for you all. So as you saw, I did section my hair off into 4 sections, and I'm working in the back. I'm just spritzing that area so it could be a little damp, and then I'm going to use this Shea Moisture Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go Curl Primer. I'm using this as my leave-in conditioner. I love how it just makes my hair feel super moisturized, and the slip is just so freaking amazing, and it smells so good. So these products have coconut in it, which is a good source of vitamin E, and it helps condition and moisturize your hair. It has cocoa butter in it, which helps with the elasticity for your hair, and plant peptides, which helps with coating your hair strands and enhancing your curl definition. And as you guys can see, my curls are popping. So this is what my hair looks like with just the curl primer, and as you can see, my curls are popping and my hair looks juicy and moisturized. So now I'm just going to section my hair off into 4 sections again so I can apply the gel. So now that I have my 4 sections, I'm going to work from the back to the front, and I am splitting that back section into a smaller section, and I'm going to use the Make It Last Wash and Go Defining Gel Oil. The consistency is super loose, and you would think that it doesn't have a lot of hold to it, but trust me, it does, and you'll see at the end. So whenever I apply gel to my wash and goes, I like to do the rake-in method. I also like to do the praying method, just so I can distribute the product evenly, and it just works for me. Yes, do y'all see them curls popping? Like, they just look super juicy. So I really like this gel oil. Not really sure why they call it a gel oil, but I really enjoy using it because it's not too heavy and it doesn't weigh my hair down. I remember the very first time when I used this product, I saw the consistency and I was like, I don't know about this, but then after I used it and when I let my hair dry and when I stretched it, I was like, oh yes, this is popping. I don't know how Shea Moisture made this gel like that to make your hair pop, but they did a very good job on this product and it gets 2 thumbs up from your girl, period. Alright, y'all, so while I finished the last section of my hair, this took a total of 45 minutes to apply the curl primer and also the gel on my hair, which is not bad. And then I just decided to put my hair, well, do my hair as a side part because I just feel like whenever I do a side part, it just frames my face a little bit better. And then I'll just apply more gel on the part area and then also on my edges so they could be a little bit more sleek, you know. And then I'll just apply some clips on the area where my side part is so that section can be, so the top part can be a little bit flat and also define my parting. So this is what my hair looks like after all the product is applied, and like I always say, the shrinkage is so real. So I'm going to sit under with a hooded dryer for 30 minutes and this is what my hair looks like after I am done with the dryer. And in this clip my hair was about 80% dry, and boom, this is what my hair looks like after it is 100% dry. It is stretched and slept on. If you guys would like to know how I stretch and preserve my hair overnight, that video will be up coming soon. So make sure you're staying tuned. But let me give myself a pat on the back because your girl did that, okay? Period. Like, look at how these curls are so juicy and defined. Like, oh my gosh. And my hair is super bouncy. It is not crispy or anything. Like, it has movement, it has body, it has personality. Like, hello somebody. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, like smash that like button right now, and comment down below what's your process of how you do your wash and goes, or if you tried any of these Shea Moisture products. Let me know. Let's chat. And if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, like, hello, what are you doing? Like, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.